subject of neuron. See here we have a neuron is comprised of a cell body which is called a soma. A neuron has a cell body which is called a soma. And the soma has dendrites next to it. These dendrites receive information from neighbor cells and they transmit this message through a nerve impulse through the axon. It's also called an action potential. Now, the axon which transmits message also has a fat layer of tissue called the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is made up of Schwann cells, and one of its functions is to protect, transmit, and also insulate and speed up the action potential that goes through the cell body, through the axon, and to the dendrites of the receiving cells. Now here we have synaptic clefts, also called synaptic junctures, where every nerve cell puts the neurotransmitter receptors here. Now one thing to notice here, the myelin sheath covers and protects the axon, but at the same time, a lack of myelin sheath and a destruction and deterioration of myelin sheath causes multiple sclerosis, which is a disease of lack of function in the human body. Now, we can see that here it's called an axon hillock. This is called the dendrites. Now, this nerve obviously is comprised of many neurotransmitters. We have neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which helps regulate mood and hunger and sleep. We have dopamine, which is consequential in our mood and most specifically about our happiness. We have ACH, acetylcholine, which is an undersupply of ACH and a deterioration of ACH causes Alzheimer's. Undersupply of serotonin causes depression. Now, one thing to notice is an oversupply of dopamine causes schizophrenia. Now, all of this aside, I'm also going to talk about the human nervous system. The human nervous system is comprised of CNS and PNS, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is comprised of the autonomic nervous system and somatic. The autonomic is comprised of parasympathetic and sympathetic. The central nervous system is comprised of the brain and the spinal cord.